Hi everyone, let's solve this problem. If y equal to 1 over x, we find the y dx using the first principle, and this is part 3. In part 1, we focus on limits. Part 2, we focus on Pascal triangle. And this one, I want to show you how to differentiate of a fraction. So the first thing you need to do is to have the y to it, then you have the x to it, then you have the y, 1 over x plus change in x minus y, then change in y, 1 over x plus change in x minus 1 over x. So at this point you can find the LCM. So change in y will now be equal to x plus change in x. That will be the LCM. So this and this we left with x. That will be x minus this and this we left with x plus change in x. Therefore, the change in y will now be x. So you use the minus to clear the bracket. So we have minus x minus change in x over x plus change in x. So now the next thing is to divide by changing x. So you are dividing both sides by changing x. But before then, you have change in y. X minus x will go. You have minus change in x over x plus change in x. So let's divide both sides by changing y. X. So that will be change in y, change in x, minus change in x plus change in x, divide by changing x. So we are dividing the both sides by changing x. So this will be change in y, change in x equal to minus change in x plus change in x multiplied by 1 over change in x. So a change in y, change in x equal to, now this take care of this. So you have minus 1 over x plus change in x. So at this point we limit. So when you limit